Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
P0143 is one of many fault codes that can be recorded by your vehicle's main computer. Read on to find out what it involves, its potential triggers and common symptoms. What does fault code P0143 mean? Fault code P0143 means Lambda sensor 3, line 1, low signal. It is registered when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a potential problem with the oxygen sensor of bank 1, sensor 3 of the post-catalytic converter, CATCON, or its circuit. Depending on the vehicle configuration, bank 1 may refer to the side of the engine containing cylinder 1. Sensor 3 refers to one of the oxygen sensors located downstream of the catalytic converter. The oxygen sensor at the rear of the catalytic converter, bench 1, sensor 3, measures the efficiency of the catalytic converter in controlling emissions. The PCM uses this information to determine whether the converter is in working order. A working post-cat sensor shows voltage differences at a slower rate than front-end oxygen sensors. This generally indicates a low switching frequency between the two sensors. However, if the PCM senses that the post-cat oxygen sensor signal voltage is below factory specifications, it will trigger fault code P0143. You'll find more information to help you repair code P0143 in our advanced discussion of the downstream oxygen sensor. Note, the definition of code P0143 may differ depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Consult the appropriate repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. What are the possible causes of code P0143? Code P0143 is a generic code, so it can have many triggers. Here are the most common: air leaks in the exhaust leading to erroneous readings. Defective oxygen sensor wiring problems, faulty PCM. What are the common symptoms of the P0143 code? You may notice the following symptoms if you drive a car with a registered P0143 engine code: a check engine light on, poor engine performance. In some cases, there are no other abnormal symptoms. How to diagnose P0143? Although engine code P0143 may have similar triggers and symptoms to other DDC codes, there is no universal solution for this code. As vehicles are built differently by different manufacturers, the exact procedures for diagnosing and repairing the code may vary. If you're not an experienced DIY enthusiast, don't try to diagnose this code yourself. It's best to leave the diagnosis to a professional. How to repair code P0143? Code P0143 can appear on vehicles of different makes and models. It can also have similar causes and symptoms to other fault codes. However, as vehicle design differs from manufacturer to manufacturer, there is no single safe solution for this code. Always consult the factory repair information specific to your car before doing any repairs yourself. For example, a solution that worked for AP0143 on a Chevy Suburban may not work for AP0143 on a Toyota Sequoia. If you're not confident in your automotive know-how, it's best to take your vehicle to an automotive workshop for proper diagnosis and repair. In conclusion, fault code P0143 indicates a low signal from Lambda sensor 3, line 1, which can lead to decreased engine performance and increased emissions. It's essential to diagnose the underlying issue, whether it's a faulty sensor, wiring problems, or exhaust leaks. Addressing this code promptly can help maintain your vehicle's efficiency and longevity. Always consult a professional mechanic for accurate diagnosis and repair to ensure your vehicle runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more automotive insights.